morning started up really great, and we are on our way to Sandhamn. And what is Sandhamn? That would be like the cows of Sweden, maybe.
Yeah.
The sailing. Not center. Saltsjöbaden would be the sailing center probably, but that would be the outer one on the island. I don't know how to explain it, but so it will be a busy port, or with a lot of boats, and I hope to show you around there as well. And we will keep the dog for the weekend. We got some wind on our way to Sandhamn. Everybody is enjoying it. The wife is there and the dog is under there. Are you cozy in there? I don't think her parents is that cozy out here. But it's good. We have like 20 knots. We're doing more than 8 through water, so we are happy. So we are training a little bit, coming out here, you can see, so we are going there, but we are out practicing a little bit in the rain. But this is good sailing conditions, I must say, really good. We have arrived to Sandhamn, and look at this boat that is moored here. And it looks like it's really, really busy inside there. Everybody's waiting things for their spots. I think we will have to wait a little bit to get ours, so we will see what happens. I must say, this is a fun chaos. There is boats everywhere, but we are supposed to be there, so they will move. It's the daughter who is on that spot now. But they were told off, they couldn't be there because Bushpoint is coming there. It was quite funny. So we are in. It was a little bit chaotic because the space is not super much for us, but so we are sticking out quite a good bit. There is the pontoon, and all these boats has to come in between us here. But I guess, and we had to tie up to the signpost there, but it's good, and there is more boats out there waiting. So that guy over there had to pass us, so I think it was quite tight for him to... Vad tror ni? Det var lite tight för honom att passera vårt ankare. Cool boats has started to come. I think there is a race that goes from here, Sandhamn, to the Finnish Åland. There is a lot of activity here now, and there is a chocolate. Jeanette is organizing a little bit. We have a small boat on top of us that will spend the night there, so she will make it easier for them to walk. And then we go for a walk and have a look. Yeah. So there is like 3 marinas here, so you can take this boat to the other marinas, but you can come here with them as well, because here is where all the party and restaurants and things like that. But it's more quiet on the other side, so you could say that's the family camping side. Or yeah. Have you seen this boat? Yes. This is a beauty.
It is, yes, very beautiful.
And then we have a German Lisa there.
From Basel.
Yeah.
Also beautiful.
Very beautiful, I must say as well. We confirm that we are very happy to be out here because the music here is loud enough so you can hear it, but you can still speak.
Yeah.
And in there, no, it's too much. Or is it that I'm getting old? Maybe.
Maybe.
The dog's parents has left, and we are babysitting our Granddog now. But she's still looking for the parents, if they should come back or not. So the Powerboats will start in half an hour, and we decided that we'll go out and have a look with the dinghy, so we took it down. And it's still a lot of boats waiting here to come in, as you can see. But I think it would be cool to go out with the dinghy. The dog will come as well. There are some guys that looks like they could go pretty fast there. I wonder if there are 100 knot boats. Yeah, there are a few of them here. So we are off watching. Go out and have a look at the boats. There is a lot of traffic here now. Wow. But we'll go out there where they are allowed to go full speed. So everybody seems to be gathering out there too. They make a quite good noise. Look at this one. This looks pretty fast, I must say. Huh? This is cool. He will go quite fast, I guess.
Very fast.
Hur lång tid tar det till Åland då?
10 minuter.
Hur mycket? Nej! Under timmen? 50? Wow!
Otroligt.
So he said 50 minutes to Åland. That's not bad. Wow! This one looks fast as well. I will ask them also. Hur lång tid tar det till Åland då? Hur lång tid tar det? Nej, okay, sorry. Maybe he did not understand Swedish. Look at this one there. I will ask these guys as well, how far? Hur lång tid tar det till Åland? Ingen...
De där tar 25-30 minuter för.
Wow! Och ni? Under timmen?
Vad sa du?
Åker ni under timmen? Tar den under... Ja, bra. Lycka till! Good luck! So he said for these guys it would take 25 minutes, but I'm not sure. But I think we should go out a little bit. I don't know where they exactly start. I think we need to film this one. This is a really cute, cool boat. Huh? I think he will go quite quick. I just talked to this guy and he said 40 minutes to Åland. So that is not fast. I think we will go out a little bit and so we'll see when they come. Is Nora enjoying this?
I think so, yeah, she's super calm. There's no problem with her.
Yeah. You are not racing? Not to Åland.
Not yet. Next year.
We can race back after the start.
Next year.
Yeah, next year. Yeah, we will go out a little bit because we want to see them when they pick up some speed. Because there is like just open ocean out there. There are some small rocks, but that has a nice color. And Nora seems to like it. She has no waves coming here. No, she's good there.
Yeah, no problem.
Now, we have to look that up, how many nauticals there could be to Åland. I can see if I can find it on my phone app here. So I just found out, so crow fly means the shortest distance, but they can't go straight from here. They have to go out to sea before they turn north. And the crow fly is 60 approximate nautical, but they have to drive maybe 70 or something like that. Or so I guess if you are doing 100 knots, yeah, you could do it easy under an hour. So there is a quite good difference in size. So you look at the blue one there and compare to that one, but I think somebody said it's two classes, over 30 feet and under 30 feet, and I guess as much engine as you can have. I think there is some action starting, so there is like 5-6 minutes left here, but this is not the super it's more like a fun race there, I think. It's not like you win a gold medal or something. It's just internal power, I guess. And I guess that has something to do with the starting boat then. I think they are coming in now. Now, start goes. And we also go. Woo! This is fun, look! Woo! Fun, wasn't it? No, yeah, there is one more, and the police is also coming here, and they have a. This is a Swedish police boat, and they have a quite good boat as well. Maybe they, I'm not sure if they will follow them, but we have some waves to deal with here. Uh-oh. Hang on. Here's another one. Woo! Sharp one. We are through. We're good. So, wife, what did you think about it?
It looked fast.
Yeah. Did you think it was fun?
It was fun to watch. I would not have wanted to be in.
You did not want to be within it? No. And Nora seems to like it as well.
Yeah.
Okay, now we can go back. That was the morning fun, so to say. No, it's actually lunchtime. Meeting some sailboats here as well. Are they making ways for us? Shall we try to speed up a little bit? Woo! Hoorah! It's like on the Tivoli. that is the son-in-law. Oh my God. We are racing with it. He can't keep up with us. Woo! Woo! He's playing. I think he has done this before. Woo! Yeah, he's having a show for us. Maybe we should go and have a look at the wooden sail ship over there. That's a beauty. No, we are lucky. They just left sailing. They just took off from the mooring. Look at this boat. Wow. Look, it's like the furniture. I wonder what the name is. It says on the back there. We will have a look at it. It says backhand. Wow! Backhand. We have to remember that and look it up. I guess he will make a tack here. There is some paint job on that one. There is some trouble with the backstay there. Hej! Vilken vacker båt ni har! I just said what a lovely boat they have. And then
our boat is the total opposite.
Yeah, for sure. How about this? For sure, the total opposite. So the backstay has caught the top batten there. That is the problem they are having. Very busy. And there is one guy coming sailing through there. What is it?
Normally sailing here isn't such a good idea.
No, but so the wooden boat he has a cool cut. I thought he would make a turn, but he just goes through here.
And he's yelling at the people, the motorboaters to move.
Oh yeah. Still a chaos here coming back, and the gang is on the boat there, and we are parked there, so we will just sitter ni på första parkett? I need to film more of this chaos here. Or you should not call it chaos, maybe not, because everybody's here waiting, but they're also blocking the whole, yeah. So everybody's here. So they have all problems getting past here because all the waiting boats are blocking the fairways. So this was interesting. The Coast Guard just come and this boat was, came in there. He has to do an alcohol check. I've never seen this before. But we have been here, so I'm good. There is a party here. We are getting new boat neighbors here. So there was a fin boat there before, but here comes even a bigger one. And he will also close the entrance a little bit. So we just learned that Spirit of Helsinki that just came in is an old whitbread boat. Yeah. So it has made two times around the world, and there was, I don't know what he said, and they just came.
That they just came back from
ocean racing. We have to look that up, or we just not did understand him well, because they came back in April or May. What did he say? Yeah. So we have to talk to them a little bit more.
Yeah, I guess they're not leaving tonight. So.
No, because there is another yacht on top of them, which is also a Finnish one now. Yeah. So now I know more about what the guy said there. So he said OGR, and that is the Ocean Global Race, and that is the 50th anniversary of the whitbread, because it started 1973. And to sail the Ocean Global Race, I have tried to read up whilst you were cooking. I read up here and so.
And just to interrupt you, their cooking was really good.
Yes, very good. And so it's the 50th anniversary of the whitbread. So they had to sail under the circumstance or the technique that was used then.
In 73.
And no boat younger than 88, so it could not be younger than 80 from 88 could participate, and they have to use what they had in 73. So that means like no plotters, no GPS, so it was, and no high-tech materials, and so they had to use sextant and paper charts, I guess. And Spirit of Helsinki was participating. It was built, I think, maybe 83 or something like that, but it was in the whitbread of 86. And it finished third then, but then it was called Fatser Finland.
Fatser is a great big company.
But now comes the really fun thing about the OGR race. Do you know which boat did win the OGR race? As I could read anyway. Maiden. With all female crew as well. Yeah.
Last year.
So because there is this Maiden Netflix movie, and if you haven't seen this, see it.
It is so typical for the time.
Yeah. So
the way they looked upon women.
And finally, Maiden, all female crew won an ocean global race.
Yeah. Why shouldn't they?
No. But finally, but it took some. I don't know which year Maiden participated in Whitbread.
But it had to be
It's such a
around
good
the
story.
mid-80s.
Yeah. But so the boat was in this OGR and did win. Fantastic story, I think.
How could we have missed it?
I don't know. But
And
here we are, and one of the boats comes in here.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. We'll go over to the party boats over there. They are over there. Jeanette is already there. And I brought a blanket for the dog. There is one party there and another one there. So there is like a lot of party on this party. So it's an honest to be around the party people here. And Jeanette is here taking care of the Granddog there. Yeah.
Och solen sänkte sig när fiolen stämde upp. Jag lovar dig att aldrig stanna kvar.
It is time to leave Sandhamn and go back to, I almost said civilization, but I think this is maybe too much civilization. Nora is waiting for the grandma, who is leaving some garbage and checking out, and I'm actually prepared the Fölstrom on the bowsprit there, and because it's not much wind, but hopefully it will come up a little bit. It's not as crazy yet here, but there are some people waiting to get the spot here, but ours is reserved, but they are not coming until 1 o'clock, so we have plenty of time, but we will leave soon. And it was I don't know how much we have filmed, but it was a lovely time here. And yeah, of course, little noisy party, but since we were with friends, it was okay. Now we have to go home or find a peaceful spot and pick up on the sleep. Leaving Sandhamn now. All the people. So this is the narrow cut, and this is the old pilot station or something like that. Or it's not the old pilot, it is still a pilot station, I guess. Are you taking some Insta thingies?
Yes, I might use them or I might not. It depends.
Yeah, there you have a pilot boat coming out here. So now we only can hope for some wind that we can sail on. And Nora is behaving very well there. We are trying to sail here.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can see there is not much wind.
But have a look at the first jump. It is actually catching a little bit.
Oh yeah, it does. But it's a very beautiful day anyway, so we don't mind doing half a knot.
That much.
Yeah, I don't know if we're on the right course even. But Nora seems to getting along on the boat.
Yeah, she seems to like it.
Yeah.
And she's not afraid. She walks around like anything.
Oh yeah. No, she does. She does.
Somebody said she had a 4-wheel drive, so.
Yeah. She has probably better balance than we have.
Yeah.
So the weekend here was we had a very interesting meeting with a boat that could be said that it's our first interaction with a foreign sailboat. When we came to Rönne and to Kristiansö.
Kristiansö and Bornholm.
No, Kristiansö and then Utklippan. We met a German sailboat, and this was 9 years ago, and they walked up to us and said, "Okay, do you remember us?"
Yeah.
And that's like, wow, of course we remember them because of that. But fortunately we have changed boat, but we have the same boat name, so they kind of
right.
they but that was a really pleasant surprise, I must say.
It was great.
Yeah, it was great.
And I was so happy that they actually took the time and stopped and start talking to us, instead of just, oh, there's Bushpoint, bye-bye. That was really nice.
Yeah, it was. No, we had a lovely chat there. But now we are because we have decided that we will go in tomorrow, but we are moving closer to our home port.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow evening we will give the dog back to their owners, the son and girlfriend.
Until next time then.
Until next time. Look, she just went and had a snooze there now. We had a little wind for a while, but now it's dead downwind. So the wind is so weak, so you can't trust the instruments. You have to have a feeling how. So maybe the Windex up there will give you a little idea, but it plays around here as well. There is another one trying to sail.
At least it's a good day out.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Hello, tjejer. Hello.
So we are back in our home port now after an easy motoring in this morning.
Yeah.
And we have had 3 weeks out in the archipelago, and it has been really, really nice.
Really nice. And with a little wiener.
Yeah, it has been.
Come in.
She has behaved very well, I must say.
Ah.
Even though she's a little stubborn, but I guess that goes with the breed.
The breed,
yeah.
Yes. They're supposed to be stubborn, so they can find the rabbits in the holes and things.
Maybe that is something that works very well with us, because we're not that stubborn.
None of us.
None of us. No, but so now we will go home.
Yeah.
Wash up. Make some preparations. And then in a few days we will start going towards
Nordkap
on the motorcycle. And hopefully we will also pass Kebnekaise, who would be the tallest mountain in Sweden, which we like to climb.
It is the tallest.
Yes, I know. So hopefully there is weather, because we don't want to do it in bad weather, but okay weather.
Okay weather.
Yeah.
No rain.
No rain.
Apart from that, it's good. Yeah.
And we hope to be able to film this then also. Maybe it will, hopefully it will interest some people. I don't know how good we will be on filming motorcycle trips, since we are not super
professionals. But we'll figure something out.
Yeah. There will be some things. I also think that what we have been doing so far, it will be just bits and pieces of the 3 weeks we have been out. Yeah, because.
But you filmed with the drones, so it will be good shots, I think.
Hopefully, yeah.
Because it is a super nice archipelago to sail, really.
Really good cruising grounds if you have the weather like it has been. So I think we always say sayonara for
sayonara. So we're Japanese all of a sudden.
Yeah, or auf Wiener Schnitzel, as we say in German.
No. Since there's a duck hound on board.
Adieu.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, and see you on the motorcycle next time.
Hej då.
Hey.